We've made some improvements to the way dimensions are changed in variables in Stella version 3.5, which I wanted to demonstrate briefly. So I'm going to go to sales, and we can see that that's dimensioned by product. I could actually see everything that's dimensioned by product, which would be all of these. Suppose that on sales again, I wanted to add store as a dimension. I might want to put that first, for example. And if I did that, I will go to an error in the revenue equation. And if I look at the equation for that, it's because store has been added into the equation for sales, but store isn't. Revenue is not arrayed by store. So if I go to revenue and I add store into its equation, again, I'll put it first, then we're back. This equation is now good, and you'll see this equation has reverted to the sales does not have any arrays at all since they match, and it started out with no arrays, whereas price has product as its array because it no longer matches the dimensions for revenue. Total revenue now has a problem because it was the sum of revenue before, but now it's the sum of revenue by store, but it does not have store. I could array this by store, and then the model would be correct. Alternatively, if I didn't want to do that, I could actually make this star star or even take away the brackets altogether to indicate that we're summing over the entire array.